Step 14, install the Wasteboard. During this step, we'll be attaching the MDF Wasteboard to the frame of the X-Carve Pro. Now there is a T-slot version of this Wasteboard that is going to be coming later, and we will have updated instructions for when that releases. Now, if you're looking for the Wasteboard, it's actually located below the styrofoam mold that housed the gantry inside of the box. So in part 1, we're going to attach the Wasteboard. So place the MDF Wasteboard on top of the X-Carve Pro frame. You want to make sure the side where you can see the metal threaded inserts is on the bottom. The top of each Wasteboard section has 9 countersunk holes for inserting the screws. Then, using a 4mm Allen key and 9 M5x16 square head screws, secure the Wasteboard to the X-Carve Pro frame. You want to make sure the screws are attached tightly to the frame and are countersunk from the top of the MDF about 1/4 inch. Part 2, attach the spindle cable to the controller. Attach the spindle connector to the controller, ensuring that the orientation of the plug matches the connector on the controller. Seat the spindle connector by flipping up the silver bracket over the studs on the spindle plug.